Hello everyone! Can you believe that with just one simple ingredient, your Anthurium can grow strong roots, lush, green leaves, and bloom continuously all year round? In just a few days, you'll notice thicker white roots, shinier leaves, and flower buds appearing much faster. In today's video, I'll share a super simple natural fertilizer recipe you can make at home to help your Anthurium recover quickly, grow stronger, and bloom beautifully for a long time. I use about 3 tablespoons of pure coffee powder, which is a safe amount that allows the plant to absorb nutrients effectively without shocking the roots. First, I place the coffee powder into a clean glass jar. Then, add about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water to fully extract the nutrients. Next, I stir the mixture well so the coffee dissolves and releases beneficial compounds for the plant. Then, I let the solution steep for about 1 hour to maximize nutrient extraction before using it. Once the solution has completely cooled, I filter out the residue to obtain a clear liquid, which helps the plant absorb nutrients better and prevents root blockage. I use a strainer or a thin cloth to thoroughly remove all the coffee grounds. Which country are you watching this video from? I'm very happy to welcome you to the Flower Care Garden channel. Please leave a comment below and let me know. It's amazing that we can connect and share from all around the world. Then, I add about 500 milliliters of clean water to dilute the solution, making it gentler and safer for the plant to use. Step 1. I use a soft cotton pad soaked in diluted coffee solution and gently wipe the entire surface of the leaves and stems to help the plant absorb nutrients more effectively. Wiping with the coffee solution not only cleans the leaves but also provides a small amount of beneficial organic compounds that stimulate metabolic activity on the leaf surface. During the wiping process, accumulated dust and mineral residues are removed, leaving the leaves cleaner and healthier. When the leaf surface is clear, the stomata function more efficiently, improving respiration and photosynthesis. Additionally, gentle wiping allows the plant to absorb some nutrients directly through the leaves, which is especially helpful for weak plants with poor root development or slow blooming. A healthy root system is the foundation for faster flower stalk formation, stronger growth, and more uniform blooming over time. You should apply this method about twice a week for the best results. Avoid doing this too frequently, as Anthuriums absorb nutrients relatively slowly and need time to bounce. Maintain this routine for about 3 to 4 weeks, and you will begin to see noticeable improvements in root growth, leaf health, and blooming performance. In addition to Vietnamese, this video is also dubbed in multiple languages such as English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian, making it easy for you to follow along. You can easily change the language by going to the video settings and selecting your preferred language. Step 2. I pour some of the diluted coffee solution into a spray bottle, then mist it evenly over the leaves and stems of the Anthurium. When applied as a fine mist, the solution spreads evenly without water buildup, allowing the plant to absorb it gently and effectively. Proper spraying provides a small amount of organic nutrients that support metabolic activity without overwhelming the plant. This method is especially useful when the plant has weak roots, is recovering, or when nutrient uptake from the growing medium is limited. Diluted coffee solution is not a strong fertilizer, it acts as a mild biostimulant that helps the plant regulate energy and grow more steadily. When the leaves and stems are well nourished, the plant directs energy to strengthen its root system, promoting flower stalk formation. Strong roots lead to faster blooming, taller flower stalks, and more vibrant, long-lasting flowers over time. You should apply this method about 1 to 2 times per week for consistent results. Maintain this routine for about 3 weeks, and you will start to see noticeable improvements in plant health and blooming. Step 3. I use the remaining solution to lightly water around the base of the plant, focusing on the root zone so nutrients can gradually penetrate. I only apply a moderate amount to moisten the medium, avoiding overwatering so the roots can absorb nutrients gradually without stress. As the solution moves downward, the roots absorb nutrients steadily, especially supporting newly forming roots. In addition, the lightly enriched organic environment encourages DALANCD microbial activity, creating better conditions for root function. Maintaining stable moisture helps prevent root stress and reduces the risk of waterlogging, a common factor that slows Anthurium growth. You should apply this step about once a week, combined with the previous steps for optimal results. Step 4. After completing the care steps, I use a soft, clean cloth to gently dry the entire leaf surface, especially the leaf joints and veins. Removing excess water from the leaves is very important, as prolonged moisture creates a favorable environment for fungi and bacteria. When water accumulates in tight areas like leaf joints, fungal spores can quickly develop, causing leaf spots, rot, or weakening the leaves over time. Gently drying the leaves keeps the surface well ventilated, reduces the risk of fungal disease, and maintains healthy, clean, and glossy leaves. Anthuriums prefer humidity, but do not tolerate prolonged wetness, so controlling leaf moisture is essential for proper care. Maintaining the habit of drying the leaves after each care routine helps prevent disease early and keeps the plant stable. Thank you for staying until the end of the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a comment and tell me where you're watching from. Please like, share this video with fellow plant lovers, and subscribe to Flower Care Garden so you don't miss simple, yet effective plant care tips. See you in the next video. and may your garden always stay green and full of life.